Hello guys and dear followers, you all are invited to watch my video which I have published for the students and learners, those who are interested to practice narration, speech, direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. During this crisis period, pandemic period, most of the students are staying at home and they are suffering from mental depression. So, in order to help them, I have published this video for them to practice at home. So, we should not waste our time. Let us discuss narration. Direct speech, we said to the boys, why had you not been listening to us, what we taught you? Again, direct speech, we said to the boys, why had you not been listening to us, what we taught you? It is interrogative sentence. We know that if the sentence is interrogative, the reporting verb said will be changed into asked and inverted comma will be omitted, and the interrogative pronoun WH who is, when, where, why, how, who, whom, what, it will not be changed. It will be relative pronoun, and why will be why. The tense of reported speech will be changed according to correspondent past tense, because said to is past tense. So, if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense. Okay, what will be? We ask the boys why they had not been listening to us, what we had taught them. We asked the boys why they had not been listening to us, what we had taught them. Here, you second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. There, the boys object of said to reporting verb, third person plural number. So, you will be changed according to the boys. So, there will be they, subject nominative case, and within bracket boys, it indicates the boys. So, they indicates boys. Next, had not been listening. It is past perfect continuous tense. We know that past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will not be changed. So, had not been listening to will not be changed here. As first person refers to subject of reporting verb we first person, as first person, so it will not be changed. So, what we taught you, second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the boys. So, them, you object here, so them within bracket boys. Perhaps you have understood. Next, there is a mistake numbering. 4, 5. Okay. Number 2, direct speech. The commander said to the soldiers, protect the country from the foreign attack. It is imperative sentence. We must know if the reporting verb said to and the sentence is imperative sentence, said to will be changed into commanded, ordered, requested. So according to the meaning of the sentence, there will be ordered, commanded, requested, etc. There is command. The commander commanded. The commander ordered. Okay. The chief army. So what will be? The commander said to the soldiers, protect the country from the foreign attack. The commander ordered or commanded the soldiers to protect the country from the foreign attack. Inverted comma will be omitted and there will be to as conjunction in imperative sentence. Okay. As said to will be changed into commanded or ordered. Number 3, direct speech. The commander said to the soldiers, march on. Indirect speech, the commander ordered or commanded the soldiers to march on. The same as 3 and 2 imperative sentence. So, said to will be changed into ordered or commanded. And 2 will be conjunction. Next, 4, direct speech. The man said to her, had I done the work for you last night? The man said to her, had I done the work for you last night? Interrogative sentence. So, said to will be changed into asked and there is no other interrogative pronoun. So, if will be the relative pronoun as conjunction. If or whether. Okay. The man asked her if he had done the work for her the previous night. I first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb, the man, third person. So there will be he, nominative case. I, nominative case, subject, he, subject, nominative case, within bracket, man. The work for you, had I done the work for you. So, you had, if he had done the work for her, you second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, said her object. So, you object here. So, her will be her because you object. So, her will be her object. She, her. Okay. Next, the last night will be changed according to the rules. The previous night. We know that last night, the previous night, yesterday the previous day, tomorrow the next day, this, that, here, there, come here, go there, come hither, go there, etc. So, nearest word will be the farthest word. Okay. So, last night will be the previous night. Next number 5, direct speech. They said, let us attack the enemy just now. What will be? They proposed that they should attack the enemy just then. Just now will be just then. Let us, it is proposal. If let refers to proposal, the reporting verb said will be changed into proposed and that will be the conjunction. If let is refers to request, the let will be changed into might be allowed to. Okay. So, there will be, they propose that they should attack the enemy just then. So, dear students, you all are requested to, you all are advised to follow my K. Mondal YouTube channel. If you follow my videos, series of videos, chronologically I have published for you. So, if you follow my videos and if you watch my videos, I hope that you will be efficient in English and you should read and practice at home regularly and follow my YouTube channel, K. Mondal YouTube channel, online education for English and other subjects. I am trying to help you, those who are suffering from the pandemic period and crisis of education. By this time, most of the students are staying at home. They are suffering from mental depression. So my video will be helpful to them, needs no telling. So you all are advised and requested to follow my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel, digital English class and other class, other subjects, related subjects. So you can follow my videos, and you are advised and requested to subscribe my channel and share my video so that the other students and your classmates may be benefited and may be familiar with my videos. So no more today. I wish you every success in life. Thank you all. Bye bye.